Welcome to Module 1 of our Introduction to Project Management course. Let's kick off our journey by understanding what project management really is. Imagine it as a conductor leading an orchestra, coordinating different sections to produce a harmonious symphony. In the business world, this symphony is the successful completion of a project. It's the art and science of initiating, planning, executing, controlling, and closing the work of a team to achieve specific goals and meet success criteria within a defined time frame. Now you might be wondering, why is project management important? Picture this. You're working on an ambitious project with a tight deadline. Without a solid plan or direction, you can easily lose track of tasks, overshoot your budget, or miss your deadline. That's where project management comes in. It's like a compass, guiding your team towards the project goals efficiently and effectively. In our fast-paced, highly competitive business environment, project management is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It drives innovation, manages change, and delivers value to stakeholders. It's the secret sauce that helps organizations stay ahead of the curve, avoid costly mistakes, and achieve their objectives. But without proper project management, projects can quickly become a ship lost at sea. They become prone to delays, cost overruns, and even failure. It's like embarking on a journey without a map or a compass. You might eventually reach your destination, but at what cost? So, as we delve into the fascinating world of project management, remember this. Project management is your compass, your map, your conductor's baton. It's the tool that brings order to chaos, turns ideas into reality, and ensures that your project sails smoothly from initiation to closure. Without proper project management, projects are prone to delays, cost overruns, and even failure. So let's embark on this journey together and unlock the power of effective project management. Before we dive deeper into project management principles and practices, let's familiarize ourselves with some key concepts and terminology. These are the building blocks of project management. They will not only help you in understanding the processes better, but will also aid you in communicating effectively with your team and stakeholders. First off, we have project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It's not an ongoing process, but has a clear start and end point. Next is the project manager. This is the individual responsible for leading a project from initiation through closure. They are the maestros conducting the orchestra, ensuring all parts work in harmony to produce the desired outcome. Then we have the stakeholder. A stakeholder is any person or group with a vested interest in the outcome of the project. This could be anyone from team members and customers to sponsors and suppliers. The term scope refers to the boundaries and deliverables of the project. It details what is included and excluded in the project. Scope defines the project's purpose, its goals, and how success will be measured. Schedule is another crucial term. It's the timeline or plan for completing project activities and milestones. A well-structured schedule helps keep everyone on track and ensures that the project progresses in a timely manner. Now let's talk about budget. This refers to the allocated funds or resources for executing the project. It's the project manager's job to ensure that the project is completed within this budget to avoid cost overruns. Risks are uncertainties that may impact the project objectives, both positively and negatively. Identifying, assessing, and managing risks is a key part of project management. Last, but certainly not least, is communication. This is the exchange of information among project stakeholders to ensure clarity and alignment. Effective communication helps in avoiding misunderstandings and ensures that all team members are working towards the same goals. These are some of the key concepts and terminologies in project management. Understanding these will not only provide you with a solid foundation, but will also enhance your ability to manage projects more effectively and efficiently. Understanding these concepts will provide you with a solid foundation as we explore the various aspects of project management throughout this course. That concludes Module 1, Fundamentals of Project Management. We've journeyed through the basics of what project management is and why it's pivotal in today's dynamic business environment. From small-scale projects to large-scale initiatives, we've seen how effective project management ensures efficiency, effective resource utilization, and the achievement of goals within set timelines and budgets. We've also dipped our toes into the pool of key project management concepts and terminology. We've discovered that a project is a unique, temporary endeavor, and a project manager is the individual tasked with leading this endeavor from start to finish. Stakeholders, scope, schedule, budget, risk, and communication. These are the fundamental elements that form the backbone of any project. Now, with this foundational knowledge, you're well equipped to delve deeper into the world of project management. However, this is just the beginning. Understanding the fundamentals is important, yes, but there's so much more to explore. As we proceed on this learning journey, our next stop is Module 2, Project Initiation. This is the phase where every project begins, where the ideas are born and the groundwork is laid. Here, we'll talk about how projects are identified, selected, and initiated. We'll discuss the process of defining the project's goals, deliverables, and stakeholders. We'll also look at how a project charter is developed, which is a key document that formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides the project manager with the authority to use organizational resources to carry out project activities. Imagine being at the helm of a project, steering it from the initiation phase all the way to its successful completion. It's an exciting journey, and we can't wait to embark on it with you in Module 2. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the world of project management? We hope you are, because there's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you. Thank you for watching.